Hey, good afternoon. Damian Milner, the IT administrator here at Future Problem Solving. I'm going to be reviewing with you how a student can update their avatar image and also reset their password. All right. First step you're going to do is in a browser, go to FPSOnline.org. Once you get to this page here, you can click Student Login from the top menu or Student Login from the bottom menu or even here in the middle. All of them work and take you to the same pop-up. You just want to type in your username and your password. Okay. Once logged in, you've got a few different areas here: FPS topics, my team, and my feedback. We'll go over the other areas in another video, but for this one, we're going to the my team section. This is going to show you your team. It'll show you your avatar and how you can get there. I have a lot of teams showing because this is a test account, so I test a lot of stuff on this one. You shouldn't have as many here, probably just one, maybe two. All right, so in order to update your avatar image and reset your password, you're simply going to hover over the one that says me and click on Change Avatar. All right, once you get to this page here, your username's filled in and your current password is already filled in. If you did want to reset your password, this is where you could actually change your password and retype it. You can change your display name if you wanted to do that as well. And then right down here is where you can upload an image for a new avatar. Now, we'll mention if you are going to change the avatar image, you're going to want to clear out this password field if it is automatically filled in. I have my browser remembering my information, so it's filling that in for me, but you want to clear that out so that you can then go select the new image and then click update. If you don't do that, it's going to think you're trying to update your password and it won't work. All right, so that's pretty much how you update your avatar image and reset your password. Hope you found this helpful. Please stick around and look at other videos so you can learn other areas of FPS Online. Take care. Have a great and positive day.